Corpus Rikam jong a district sports officer jong a Southwest Castle District haringkat ke jingat lang, but Corpus jong deputy commissioner ke Southwest Castle District kelapen kot no ya ke chief minister district level youth engagement program barsngi ha Southwest Castle District ke badai jong ke district level balal sedang nado ke kan artrek unai wing but pen kot no haka kalai trek unai wing arjapsan ha multi-purpose hall jong ke DC office lat lau sang Southwest Castle District. Haka sengi sedang kabadai ke kan arterik unai wing arjapsan ki program lawan ban play perda de uba FB Basan MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner Southwest Castle District Kongsan bat haka sengi penkut kabadai haka laitrik unai wing arjapsan lawan ban penhap perda de uba renekton lingdo tongkar MLA ke mau keruat constituency haringkat ke jingdon lang na do uba B Maulong IAS Deputy Commissioner Southwest Castle District ka ND Shira MCS Assistant Commissioner Southwest Castle District kentup ya ki wede ki office but ki bala shakhat snobha na do ki noikai but ki kana school but ki samla pule ki bala wan bane shimbenta ha ki jingko ba pher na ki te ki arsngi ha ki ni ki arsngi ki program bala plong ki kentup ya ka jingatai halor ka life skill career guidance communication skill ka jingakop tam gita ka jingakop thok khana ka jingakop poetry ka declamation ka one act play ka jingakop tantalai ka jingakop rwai ni folk song ka sign mela ka jingakop drodur ka jingakop shot ni folk dance ka jingakop kintip pat ki wede haka bakut jang ka program la yo ruban sam ya ka kusnam sya boro kinong jam ki bla job bat pen I ya la ki sap ha ki jinga ko pa per bala sam da ka kusnam ringkat ki surnat
di Panorum dengan buat sekolah itu share with you my story again. I want to be a postgraduate student to complete master degree at least in my life. That is my target. But before I reach my target, as I told you, I have started doing business at a very young age. So I already too busy in my business. And then in the meantime, I found my beautiful girlfriend that time. So I have to, and my both family also they said no, you have to marry now, and they fixed our wedding date. So my study is ended there. You know, I am And because my ambition, my target, my goal is to be postgraduate. I can tell you the fact. After that, I got children. My children has grown up. And as I told you, I'm one among the successful entrepreneurs. Yes, I've done very well in my business. But I'm still not satisfied because I have not reached the goal. Somehow, 2.5 years back, when I have been re-elected again as an MLA, but I don't get the chance to be minister, so I understand myself that I will not be too busy. I can take the determination that no, I will go again for further study. at the age of 52 years, I joined again, but I have no more time for regular course. I have to join only the online course. Somehow I have completed my MBA, and now I reach the goal at the age of 54. And I have completed my MBA now by doing online course. So my friends, the point is that I don't want you to do that. Finish in one go. Don't take that chance. It's too difficult, I'm telling you. So when you are still studying, complete your target, complete your study. And I want to see many young graduates, many young postgraduates from the district of Southwest Caceres. We want to see MCS, we want to see IAS, we want to see more doctors from Southwest Caceres. Yes, we want to see successful young people, young boys and girls to come up from Southwest Caceres. And we will be happy to see you, that you grow up successfully. With these few words, I conclude my speech. Thank you.